Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to find your Steam ID. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. So if you are trying to find unique ID associated with your Steam account, this can be useful for either tech support or when connecting Steam to different gaming platform or consoles you need your Steam ID. To find your Steam ID, you just need to open up Steam. In the username, you just need to click on this drop down menu and select view my profile. You just need to click on the URL page in here that has been copied guys. Now you just need to open up notepad and right click on it and select pasted it, and after this slashes, that's your Steam ID guys. That's how you get the Steam ID in Steam guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.